Canada is facing a housing crunch with a shortage of homes. According to Stats Canada, for 2021, 6.4% of the total population live in multi-generational households. With house prices and cost of living increasing, this number is also going to increase. So, effective January 1st, 2023, the government introduced the Multigenerational Home Renovation Tax credit to help families live together. This tax credit applies to building a secondary suite for a family member who is a senior or an adult with a disability, which includes a grandparent, parent, child, grandchild, sibling, aunt, uncle, niece, or nephew. The secondary suite must be self-contained, which means it must have a separate entrance, bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom. The credit will provide a 15% tax refund on expenses of up to $50,000 for a maximum of $7,500. If you're looking for more information about this, please give us a call or send us a DM and we'd be happy to help. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your family and friends.